I don't know why I never got the chance to draw this dude. Alexa, play it again. Tonight sounds like a perfect honor to give it a shot. Tonight, we're finally gonna draw humungosaur. Yep, you heard us. Humungosaur. Basically, is Ben's strongest alien, one of the strongest, and one of the most popular for the Ben 10 franchise. I don't know why I never bothered to draw this guy in the first place, but now it seems like a good night for drawing that. Alexa, shuffle songs by Silver Storm.
Shuffling songs by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You've got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny.
Are those fingernails?
Master plan. The power's in your hands. Pokemon. You've got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it on. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
another battle every day. If you just believe, you'll go all the way. Be who you are, inside your heart. What are you waiting for today? If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. It's the master plan. The power's in your hands. Pokemon.
The top four for the Ben 10 Alien Force series are Swampfire, Jetray, Humungosaur, and Echo Echo, and Chromastone. Well, actually I meant top five.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose.
Reminds me of all the times I went to West Hills Day Camp, and during the fall when Ben 10 Alien Swarm was released. Remember we saw that movie? That was with Nanomech, right? And finished. That is how you draw a Humungosaur. Get strong with Humungosaur. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And Be on the lookout for more fighters like this soon. These aliens are never gonna stop evolving. Consider this thing one of my favorites. Well, drawing's one of my favorites. If you thought that the alien force form of Humungosaur was good, you should check out the Omniverse form. That thing's better. What? We're all different.